How to use requests to get documents from clients. Client requests allow you to quickly get answers and documents without clients needing to log into their accounts. To make a client request, go to Clients, Accounts. Select the client this request is for. Here, click the Request tab. Press the New Client Request button. Write a brief message explaining what you need them to know. Write the name of your request and select the type of question you want by pressing Add Question. Click the File Upload option. Write simple instructions. Here, you can decide if you want your clients to log in to be able to fulfill this request. We wish not to have to do that for this example, so we will turn this toggle off. Then click Send. The client will receive a notification, but you can copy the request link and send it via chat, SMS, or email. Once the client uses the link, they will be redirected to a page where they can upload the document. They'll click the Add Document button, select the files they want to upload, press Save, and Submit. If they view the request from their portal, they will also have the option to submit a document that has already been uploaded to the portal. You can view the documents the clients uploaded in their document section in a subfolder with the client can view and edit access.